Oh boy, here we go. I'll take trying to get in and back into a spot that big trucks have no business being in for 200, Alex. All right, let's get it. Oh boy, what are we getting into today? So I tried to scope this place out, but I couldn't effectively. So we're gonna try and do it this way. That's the only other way I see getting around to doing this. As you can see,
arriving at 122 Avenue of Industry on the right.
Yeah, thanks. Appreciate that. Oh, my door opened. Fuck. Anyway, back to what I was saying. Let's get as far as we can over here. Look at this bullshit, man. Now, if I can hit this U-turn, spin around in here, that's the dock I gotta hit right there, obviously. Can't get nowhere that way. The trailer is basically almost jackknifed right now. Let's take some turn out of it. All right, we're good there. Basically jackknifed. All right, we're coming back out of it. Now backing in is gonna be the tough part, because we do not have a lot of room, as you can see. Get that trailer pointing in the direction we want it to go. I also got this box truck right here in my way, and my fucking door swinging. Fucking stupid thing. Let's get this shit, cuz. Bam. Look at this bullshit, dude. I know that dumpster's over there. This car's right here. Underneath it like that. Come on, baby. Let's get it. Come on. All right. Let's check and see where we are at. Can't see. I mean, I just gotta back it in a little bit more. But like, that's pretty close for a first try. It's a little far on the other side, but I think that dock plate will reach. see if that did it. I mean, it's not perfect, but I think it'll work. I think it'll work. Oh, fuck. Well, until they come out. This motherfucker fell again. Son of a bitch. Comment down below if you have a better way of securing that. I'm thinking like a piece of double-sided tape, because that doesn't stick on there too good anymore. Anyway, let's spin this around. Alright, boys and girls, there you saw it. First try Wednesday. Got her in there in a spot that big trucks have no business being in, but your boy had to get it done. Jackknife the trailer a little bit, rip off our airlines real quick, you know, shit like that. But until they come out and tell me, hey, you gotta move it a little bit more, I think I'm just gonna try and just leave it just like this, because I don't feel like adjusting it for a couple inches. That's what she said. But still, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, I got this recycle load. This is like one of those recycling centers. We're in Waterbury, Connecticut right now. The load's going down to Philadelphia for tomorrow delivery, 9 a.m. and then it'll already be Thursday, so Belle's gonna get me a load from Philly to the house, and then that'll be another week in the books. I can do some trip planning right now, figure out a better way to do it. Chat that motherfucking goddamn Garmin. That damn thing fell off again. We did it. Got her in there. First try Fridays. Can't be scared. I tried to figure out a good way to get in there, but it actually just ended up actually working out alright. The trailer's like jacked and crooked, but whatever. Doesn't matter. As long as they can still put shit inside the trailer, right? I guess it doesn't matter, but. So yeah, that's all we got for today. Random content. DriveForSweet.com, baby. Check it out. Got people driving in this driveway that are like, yo, there's a truck in the way. Man. Oh well. Sorry, not sorry. Oh, now I'll do some trip planning, figure out where we're gonna park at, even though I have a good idea. I have a good idea of the route I'm gonna take already. 84, probably 87 south to 287, 287 around, and then 95 south. Like New Jersey Turnpike 95 right there, run that down. And then grab, what's that? 295, no, 276, right? Heading towards Philadelphia. Go that way towards the Turnpike. But we're not going to get on the Turnpike because we follow the rules. And I don't think we have to get on the Turnpike for this, so I'll avoid it anyway, it doesn't matter. Yeah, I think that's what we're going to do, that's the plan. This car looks completely lost, confuzzled. It's got a car full of junk. Sorry, bro. But yeah, that's our plan. That's what we got. I don't even gotta look at the map. I know what I'm gonna do. Yeah. Otherwise, guys, that's all we got for this video. Just short and sweet. Just something crazy. Little point of view, camera, head mount. Checking out what I'm getting into today. If you enjoyed this content, be sure to like, subscribe, comment, let me know your thoughts down below. Could you get into here first try? First try. It's like a hybrid first try, but it'll work, you know. Not bad. I thought it was gonna be a lot harder. It was not that hard. Just had to jackknife the trailer, you know. Doors came unchained on both sides, but that's alright. And yeah. So yeah, that's all we got. My truck's about to shut off there. And that'll end the video, guys. So thank you so very much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe for more, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.